bring wealth and innovation to the country. He has now handed the company over to his two sons and has devoted more of his time to social and community efforts. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause and welcome Mr. Vasu Shroff.
Once again, please put your hands together for Mr. Vasu Shroff.
बैठे बैठे थक गए सब लोग क्या और वेटिंग फॉर द इंटरवल Ladies and gentlemen, because so sharp lights, I can't see the public, I can see the chairs. Now I can see a little bit. The lady here, her name is Bhairavi. I call her Patal Bhairavi.
See, these jokes should not be shared out in public. मुझे डर लगता है every time he comes on.
89.1 पे देखिए सुबह सुबह शुरू हो जाती है. Very lovely child. I know her since ages. Trying to get her married as soon as possible. Because she knows I'm the marriage officer in Dubai only. Anyone wants to get married, please come to me. She's very happy. Before me, whoever came on the stage, they spoke about the future today. I'm here just for a few minutes just to speak past. We came to Dubai in 1952 by ship, and I met Mohiuddin Hindi 3 days back through Gulf News people. 1964, when Dubai airport was open, he was given one lock and key. Opened Dubai airport at 8:30 morning and closed 1:30. And daily 2 flights coming from Bahrain and Abu Dhabi, Gulf Aviation. Those are the days when 64 Dubai airport opened by His Highness Sheikh Rashid bin Said Al Maktoum. Past, when I came here, my age was 20, 1960. Now I'm 81 running. 61 year, golden years in Dubai. I was so happy last week. Dr. Bhutani invited me for Rotary Club, Jumeirah, pin me Rotary Club honorary member. After 15 months when I attended that gathering in Atlantis, about 300 guests were there. I was surprised how they got a special permission. I thought Dubai is coming back again to the same level as we had about 2 years back. Every night we used to have fun. I pray to God our olden days should come back as early as possible. And after that Atlantis Rotary Club program, when I stay very nearby, city, I just very stay nearby. I have not seen this hall. This is the first time I've seen. Again, today second time, I was telling my friend Kothari, he used to have once a year, Shakib Badayani, Jaipuri, all the writers, songwriters, Indian writers in the Indian High School auditorium. I advise them why not to have programs here. Is government giving permissions? We can have cultural programs here for this nice place. I'm happy at least that now slowly Dubai is improving and our Expo 2020 coming very near. Count the days. It was 100 days, now is 98, 97, 96, 95. One day it came Expo. It was one of the wonder of the world. And I pray by that time, India, other countries, all will be open and this disease which we are facing, Corona, should go away, go away, go away. We should go protest that Corona should go away. I pray to God, we all should be happy, we should enjoy same life. I want to see the children should go to school in buses. I want to see the teachers should be on time in school, because I am the ex-chairman of Indian High School. Today our buses are not plying, everything online. I am the ex-chairman of India Club. Still we have so many restrictions. And fortunately, I am the chairman of the Hindu cremation ground. But I used to get in a day or two or a week, 1 or 2 cases. You will not believe, in this 1 year I got 1,100 cases of the corona. When corona started, in one day we had 140 cases. How to serve them? How to serve so many dead bodies in one day? They brought in containers, ice containers, bodies near my cremation ground. I said, it's difficult for me. I can take only 3 bodies. So these things are running very upsetting me. But now the ratio has gone, average 1 or 2. Now the ratio has gone down. I'm happy. Maybe the day will come when anybody call me, now how many cases you have? I said 0. So we have no corona cases at present now. From 1,400, now we have got only 1, maybe no, but ratio is decreasing. My purpose saying that we all pray here today that we should pray to God, this corona should go away, we should enjoy our life, and we should again see. I was so happy yesterday, I told my wife, let us go and drive. She said, where are you taking me? I said, I'm taking you to airport number 1. Why? I said, it has opened after 15 months. So I went purpose to see, just made around departure and arrival. My old memories when Dubai airport was open in 64, and now airport, I can see its image 1, 2, 3, 4. So Dubai is like when we got first shooting by Sheikh Mohammed, ordered Indians to give, what is Dubai? So my subject was Dubai is a land of opportunities. Anybody coming, it is lucky place for everybody, whoever may be. Education field, business field, it is I always say Abu Dhabi is a Delhi and Dubai is a Bombay. It is a commercial place. Anybody coming here, definitely 99% people are successful. But because of this problem of corona, we have been set back nearly 40%. But I think so. I pray to God on this stage, when the expo starts, everything will be open. Please pray with me. Thank you. Yeah. Again, she said, when you get married?
I didn't say that. I said, "Aap jaiega mat," and he said, "Kyun?" He has to constantly pull my leg. He forgets that hum public mein hain and kabhi you shouldn't pull my leg. But anyway, abhi मैं request करना चाहूँगी. They're already on stage because he's a very busy man. And if you've ever been, has anyone had the opportunity to be in his office? It's full. मतलब you'll not get 2 minutes with Vasuji. दादू के यहाँ लोग आते ही रहते हैं, आते ही रहते हैं, आते ही रहते हैं. So which is why we want to say thank you for coming down here. And हम सब की तरफ से we'd like to present a memento आपके लिए.
When you want to get married?
Can we please turn off the mics? Thank you very much, Dadu. And with that, now, before I announce anything else,